So, starting this walk, weather is very rainy. But we're going to walk it anyway. So here we go.
Not the universe, no, not the universe. This is the fear and pain consciousness. We've got another one here from Eva.
Yeah, lovely.
Put it in your pocket, Dave.
Put it in your pocket. How are you feeling?
Yeah, okay, thanks, Ian.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Right, so we're going to walk around this park in pouring rain. There.
Can you see?
Yeah. But it's a beautiful park, so it's going to be well worth it.
Yeah.
And I'll keep a little diary.
What was the other thing that happened on the way back from Hassett? There was something else, wasn't there? There was a woman in the wheelchair who's being weird.
Oh, the woman, they're on the platform. They were training people to put wheelchair ramps up. There's a deer there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
It's just under the tree.
oh yeah. Cool.
You see him?
Yeah. Looking at
Is it a stag?
I'm not sure. I can't tell if it's got antlers or not. That was the other weird thing. So we get off at Dartford. Yeah.
That there is a stag.
Yeah, white stag.
Oh wow.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. Have you seen a stag here before, Ross?
Yeah, a few times.
Wow.
Amazing. There's another one over there, so. He's like, yeah, that's me.
Just behind that tree is there. It's difficult to see because it's such bad weather. He's there. Here's the stag. Where is he? Coming along, he is, I think he's there. There he is. See his hands? It's waiting for me to go. Let's see his horns and his body.
Down that way. I think basically back up again by the house. I think.
So I should think that's the two stags herd. Is it a herd?
Yes, I heard.
So they're all females, aren't they? Yeah. So, under the tree, I don't know what this tree is. What's this tree at?
This is another chestnut tree.
Another chestnut tree. Got Ross,
Hello.
Angie,
Hello.
and myself today. I think Sarah was going to come, but I think she was doing family things, I think.
Yeah, she's doing something with her sister today.
But she would have liked to have. one. Let's clean the lens. Pardon me.
If it's fogged up, it might be because it's damp though. So.
No, it's not fogged up. It's got rain in it. So this is one end of Knowle Park. I've got some turrets there. Which look, what do you reckon, Victorian? Some deer there.
Sure. Probably is. Big garden. The Victorians were very passionate about gardens, so it wouldn't surprise me.
So I don't know how many deer they've got in this park, but they seem all over the place, don't
A
they?
lot.
Yeah.
That's what
I've seen, hey?
Hundreds.
Hundreds, wow. So it's actually quite interesting because we were talking about all the things that are going on with governments and stuff, and I think this is what it's all about, isn't it? It's about being out in nature, connecting. It's a bit rough today, but it certainly makes you feel alive. That's what I always say with weather like this. And that's what we want to feel, isn't it? We want to feel alive, not dead in the soul. And I think that's what they tried to do. And if there's any kind of, I don't know, what would you call it? Protest. Oh yeah.
Right, mate, you're from Stand in the Park, ain't ya?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Hey, Steve, do you remember me?
Yes, yeah, alright, yeah, actually.
You were?
Thanks,
You were? How you doing, mate? Where? You know, what you all been doing?
Oh, just getting on with things really, like we do.
Ain't ya?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
You know,
Hello.
I've got my wife.
So we're heading back to the car. It's been a really, feel alive. Just come across this stag. Quite beautiful. How's everyone feeling?
Yeah, my boots are kind of waterlogged now.
Waterlogged,
Swimming pools for my feet.
Definitely alive though.
waterlogged, wet and alive.
Yeah.
So that'll be our diary today. Thank you, Ross, for driving us here.
You're welcome.
And finish on that shot because he is absolutely gorgeous. Have we got a name for him? What should we call him? Bert. How Bert. Namaste, Hare Krishna, blessed be, peace out. He wants some more, he's coming after you.
Set the word out to the chum.
I was going to eat them, but
So much stuff. Yeah.
I love that you said okay. All gone, sorry. I did pack a Marmite sandwich, but I'm not sure if that's suitable. But I don't think suitable, to be honest. It looks like he's trying to swallow a bullcock. Oh, alright, look, fine. Okay, I'm not used to eating myself.
Got one left, you have to share it.
I'm not going to
right?
eat it, okay? I'm going to...
One bit each. Two.
I'll be fine.
All gone.
I didn't want to eat it.
Alla, alla. All gone.
But definitely all gone now, I promise.
Hey,
Good.
you're gorgeous. But have you got any?
I haven't got any, I'm afraid.
Alright.
So,
Hope you enjoyed those.
No.
Did you enjoy those? Did you? You look like Smurf. You do, you look like Smurf. Except you've got different eyes.
It's because you're a female, and
I believe you,
sticking out is like, I know you've got some
I know I haven't got anything. There's nothing in our bag. Sorry.
It's about as good as that today,
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
Yeah.